Now welcome to one of my new videos, and today it's going to be about 11th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver. You guys a picture of Matt Smith holding his Sonic Screwdriver, and there's the new Doctor Who logo right there. Now with Doctor Sonic Screwdriver, you see product, lights and sound effects. The official Doctor Who seal. Spring mode is sending action. Definitely a very great toy. And I got this one for Christmas, but I had to wait until I got a new camera. It's a little bit hard to get out of the package though. Hold on. Almost got it. Got it. Now this is new Sonic Screwdriver. As you can see, it's way bigger than the last one. According to my father, that looks more like a lightsaber, especially in full extended mode like this. Amazing size. Now there's 4 sound effects, 2 that I'm about to show you, and the usual ones. Also the regular ones, but if we press it 3 times, that makes the sound effect just from the 1996 Sonic Screwdriver back from the Doctor Who movie. That makes it sound, press it 4 times and it makes it sound like a dying Sonic Screwdriver. And there's 2 ways that you can activate it in closed mode. There's this way, with this button here, and there's red button back here. Which you would usually use it in full extended mode, like this. But I don't really use it. It's this button here that's supposed to be on this button. They have an amazing toy. And if I could show you with the screwdriver that I made, I would. I made this myself from a stick that I found at school. But this it's just stuck in closed mode. And way bigger. In full extended mode, this Sonic Screwdriver is like that's long. But it's almost an inch bigger. Way bigger than the last one. And all I do with it is just scan stuff like how Matt Smith does. Like this. Yeah, like that. And I also seem to close it the same way. And this is the way that some people close it. Or like this. But this is how Matt Smith closes it. Yeah. Definitely amazing. And I think this is all I can show you at the moment. Except I got another new cool Doctor Who thing. Doctor's fob watch. Also amazing. Like it has the engraving, as in the actual TV series, on the front and the back. Also the same kind of markers on the inside. Also amazing. Like, see this button right here? This activates the lights and sound.
This watch is me. I dream quite often that I have two hearts. I'm not just a time lord.
And that's the voice of David Tennant, the last Doctor, which happens to be my favorite one. Oh, and speaking of that, I have 3 new Doctor Who action figures as well. The first one I'm going to show you is Matt Smith. See? There's our screwdriver. Yeah, it actually does look like him. With the bow tie, but this Doctor did not come out with a fez, which I like better with. And oh yeah, and there's also Matt Smith from the 11th Hour, like with David Tennant's clothes, which I don't really think so much my use to think David Tennant wear. And he did not come with a sonic screwdriver though, which is the sonic screwdriver that he came with is this one. And that seems to be all for now. So, if you want to look at more of these videos, look them up on www.youtube.com and then type in sonic screwdriver Doctor Who, or also type in. I think that might be all. Like if you can type in and find other Doctor Who items on YouTube under under the same website, but type in Doctor Who Lego Toys. I saw a screwdriver and the fob watch. Also the action figures, like Matt Smith here. Signing off.